Checking in online with United Airlines is a breeze. Let me walk you through the simple steps. First, head to the United Airlines website or open the United app on your phone. You'll see a check-in option prominently displayed. Click or tap on it. If you need any assistance during the process, you can also reach out us at 1-855-547-0830. Next, you'll need to enter your confirmation number or booking reference. Along with your last name, you can usually find your confirmation number on your booking confirmation, email, or in your United account. After entering the necessary information, click Find Booking or a similar button. The system will then pull up your flight details. You'll be prompted to review your itinerary and select your seats. If you're okay with the seats that are automatically assigned, you can proceed. Otherwise, you can change them if available. Some flights may require you to pay for certain seat selections. After confirming your seat selections, you'll proceed to the next step, which typically involves baggage details. If you have bags to check, you'll enter the number of bags and pay any applicable fees. If you don't have any bags, you can simply skip this step. Finally, you'll get your boarding pass. You can choose to print it out or, more conveniently, save it to your phone's digital wallet. If at any point you face issues or need guidance, United Customer Support is available at 1-855-547-0830. Make sure to arrive at the airport with enough time before your flight's scheduled departure, even if you've already checked in online. This allows you to go through security and get to your gate without rushing.